Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a pin on Pinterest mobile. Now first of all, open the Pinterest app on your cell phone. Now select any theme that you like and tap on hold on it. Now tap on pin. Now I'm just going to click a picture. Once you have clicked the picture, just add a title. Now once you have added the title, proceed to next. Now you can enter your board name here. And there you go. That's how you create a pin on Pinterest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.